Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a dessert. Made from milk solids and flour, then soaked in a fragrant sugar syrup with cardamom, rose water, or saffron. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Gulab Jamun. Gulab Jamun. Gulab Jamun. Gulab Jamun. Gulab Jamun is an Indian dessert, often enjoyed during festive occasions like Diwali, Eid, and family gatherings. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Gulab Jamun, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.